Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at how to reset Windows 10 back to factory default. It's a fairly straightforward process. So to start off with, on the right hand side, if you go to the notifications area, left click, and then go to all settings, and then we're looking for update and security. So if you left click on update and security, and then on the left hand side you're looking for recovery, and then if you click the button that says get started, this will start the process of resetting the PC. So now you've got two options. You've got keep my files, so you can hold on to your personal files, or if you just like to totally wipe it, just click on remove everything. So I'm going to go for that, and then it'll just pop up and make sure it'll just get you to confirm that you want to remove the files. And then if you click next, and then you'll get this won't take long. And it just gives you a breakdown roughly of what it's going to actually be doing. And then if you click the button that says reset, there we go. This will then start the process off. So this is something you should look at doing if you've got, say, if your performance is really struggling. You might have had maybe a bit of malware on the computer or something, and it's just not working, you know, as it should really. So you should look at doing this. As you can see, it's just tottering up now. I've actually sped this bit up, so it will take a bit of time. Here we go, just finishing off now. And then it'll restart the PC once it's finished off the first phase. Here we go, restarting. Here we go. And you'll get the please wait box. And then onto the resetting this PC. And this bit does take a bit of time as well, so I've actually sped this bit up as well. You're probably talking about, depends on the size of the hard drive to be honest, but you're probably talking about 15 minutes total time. Okay, that's nearing completion now. Here we go, 99%. And then it'll do another reboot. Get preparing again, and then it'll start the actual installation of Windows 10. And then once it's installed, it'll just be exactly the same process as I've done another video, which is installing Windows 10, so you can just check that out. But it's just like a new build of Windows 10 really, so you'll be setting up the local user accounts, and that's about it really. So thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel and leave us a comment as well. Thank you very much. Bye for now.